Well, we got a very gloomy day. Hey, it may be cloudy and rainy, but that just means it's perfect to tell you about 5 essential things you need for college. So let me go shave my little goatee first. Yuck! Alright. Whoa. Okay, so something you definitely want to invest in is a good set of luggages, suitcases. Why? Well, because one, you have to travel down to school or travel to school and you want a good suitcase to carry all your clothes. But also, if you have a set and you have a carry-on, you never know what weekend trips you might take or last minute trips or emergency trips you have to make. Hey, that kind of worked well. So I actually nestled all of mine together just to save space. But if I open it up, there's one, there's two, and there's the third. All of these things will be linked down below, so be sure to check them out, click on them, buy them if you like. Something that's really nice about these luggages is that they're super light. Like this is only, I don't know, probably maybe less than 2 pounds. Super light, perfect for when you're flying and you need to be under 50 pounds. And it's just huge. There's a lot of stuff inside. Here, check this out, So yeah, I just filled this thing with like 15, I think 16 books, and there's still plenty of room inside this thing. Is it gonna focus? I cannot tell you how many times I've used this and that this has come in handy. Good word? Come in clutch, come in handy. It has band-aids, it has topicals, it has instruments like gloves, and has a little bit of an ice pack you can like pop and make cold ice pack out of it. This has been so nice to have in my room because I don't really have band-aids, but this does, so this is good. And then it has that triple antibiotic ointment that is really good if you have cuts, and it's pretty small, so if you ever keep it in your backpack, you can be the life of a party if somebody gets injured and you can have this, I guess, on with you. Oh, what's that? Oh, sorry, I didn't see there, my backpack's too heavy. Having a nice backpack, and actually, not just one, but hold on. What the? Where'd my backpack go? But having 2 backpacks, if you want, is really good to have because different situations call for different backpacks. This one is more of a lighter one, which I can use for just casually traveling to and from classes, but this one is a more bulkier one, which I'll leave everything down in the comments or the description below, the links. It has a laptop compartment, so you can put your laptop in there, and it has like this mesh zipper thing. It has different compartments, which is really nice if you need to carry a lot of your things. So backpacks, really important to have. These things might be really obvious to you, but they weren't so obvious for me. Definitely have pens, pencils, have extra of them because you go through them quite a lot, you know, if you have to lend a friend one or if you have to just, I don't know, they break or you lose them. Definitely have a bunch. I have a bunch of extra, and well, on top of pens, also have colored pens because it's so helpful for note taking to have everything organized and be organized. But also, ready for this? This is something that I was so glad to have. A stapler, seriously. I have had to print so much stuff, and a lot of the times computer labs don't even have staplers, so it's up to you, and professors are like, oh, you need to staple things. So if you don't have a stapler and the computer lab doesn't even have a stapler, then you're kind of in a tough spot. You gotta ask a friend. Definitely consider getting a stapler. And this last thing is something I didn't even think about until I got to college, and I was like, I need to get one of these, is a laptop case. If you have a laptop, you definitely should get one. Definitely need one for college because of all the traveling you're gonna do with your laptop, because a lot of professors say bring your laptops and use your laptops in class, so you need one. The laptop case that I have is this 13-inch one because my laptop is a Dell Inspiron 13-inch laptop, so it needs this good one, and it's nice and thin, it's compact, it can fit and slide right into my backpack, and it's beautiful. It's got this fuzzy inside, and it's also waterproof. It's got multiple layers, but this thing has been really nice, and it's done a great job at protecting my laptop. I actually made a whole nother video on 10 things you didn't know you needed for your college dorm room, which I'll put up here somewhere. Flood the comment section with questions you have about University of Tampa, about college, or anything else. Make sure to give this video a like. And as always, thanks for watching, thanks for joining, and thanks for doing life with all of us here at this channel.